Let's be honest, nothing slows down mobile UI automation more than the backend. You write good tests, your flows are clean, your selectors are solid, but the backend? It's unstable, it's slow, it's shared, and it keeps breaking your work. But what if your tests didn't depend on the backend at all? What if your UI automation ran instantly, offline, anytime you want? In our Maestro course, you'll learn something that completely transforms how modern QA engineers build UI automation. The Maestro Stub Recorder. Run your test once, record every backend response, and replay it forever without touching the server again. And yes, you can even modify the data. Want to rename a restaurant? Create a scenario? Trigger an edge case? Just edit the stub. Playback mode doesn't hit the back end at all. Everything runs instantly, reliably, and fully isolated. And here's the crazy part. It runs even offline. This isn't just mocking. This is complete test isolation. This is your flows running at full speed without waiting on anything. Record, replay, isolate, scale. This is what gives QA engineers the ability to run hundreds of UI tests fully in parallel without a single back-end dependency. In our Maestro course, we don't just teach you YAML, we teach you real automation. Stable, fast, isolated, and CI ready. Built with the same tools modern QA teams rely on every day. If your tests keep failing because of the backend, if your CI is slow, if you want automation that just works, you're ready for this module. Join the course, master Maestro, and transform the way you test.